Hello students, I am here addressing the first year arts, first paper poetry and drama. We are discussing here the syllabus 2020 of first paper poetry and drama. There will be 5 questions and the time duration of the paper is going to be 3 hours. Maximum marks 100 and minimum score will be 36. So now in the first question, we have references to context. These references to context will be from 3 units, A, B and C. The first unit consists of Indian English literature poems. Unit B consists of Indian writing in English. And unit C consists of drama, that is As You Like It from Shakespeare. So these passages will be from all 3 units, but there are going to be 8 passages, out of which you have to attempt any 4 passages of references to context. Now each passage consists of 5 marks each. That means 4 passages of 5 marks each. 4 into 5 is 20. So total 20 marks. In this, be careful. You have to got to know the name of the poet and the name of the poem, which will score you 2 marks out of 5 and 3 marks for the explanation. So it is always advisable always to attempt this question of references to context, as it is going to fetch you very good marks. Then you have question 2, which is supposed to be compulsory. Though they are not saying that question 1 is compulsory or not, but my advice is that you should attempt the first question, which is of references to context. Now the second question is compulsory. Attempt 5 questions out of 10. Answer in 5 lines each. That means there are going to be 10 questions from all throughout all 3 sections, that is the English literature poem section, the Indian writing in English poem section, and As You Like It drama section. So here we don't have anything like this that we should leave this out or leave that out. All the students should read the whole syllabus, especially to answer question number 2. So we have to answer in 5 lines each. Each question carries 4 marks. That means at least 4 points have to be there in each question. It will be of 5 lines and 4 points should be there. So total 20 marks. 5 questions, 4 marks each, 5 into 4, 20. The other 3 questions will be essay type questions, 20 marks each, 1 from each section with internal choice. Let me discuss now section A. In section A, you have 6 poets which are from English literature and in total 9 poems. First, we have William Shakespeare, then John Donne, then Herbert, Andrew Marvell, John Milton and John Dryden. William Shakespeare belonged to the 15th century and he has written sonnets. So these 3 sonnets, Shall I Compare Thee, Not Marble Nor Gilded Monuments, and the third one, Remembrance, all these 3 sonnets are in the course. But we must know what a sonnet is and what are the types of sonnets and what is the pattern of the sonnets. That is why my former lecture was on sonnets, and always there is a question on sonnets, so do this very carefully. Second poet is John Donne. Second, third and fourth, all these 3 poets, John Donne, Herbert and Andrew Marvell, these are metaphysical poets, which I will let you know what metaphysical poetry is when we do John Donne. John Donne has also written Death Be Not Proud. Herbert has written Pulley and Andrew Marvell has written To His Coy Mistress. The next 5th poet is John Milton. He is a Puritan poet. He belonged to the 17th century. Puritan poet means religious poet, so he wrote religious poetry. His two poems are prescribed in your course, On His Blindness, on his 23rd birthday. These two are also sonnets and they are Italian sonnets. So, in your course, we have two types of sonnets, the English sonnet or the Shakespearean sonnet, which are prescribed in your course by Shakespeare, for Shakespeare, and John Milton's Italian sonnets, which John Milton wrote on his blindness and on his 23rd birthday. And the sixth poet is John Dryden. He belonged to the 18th century, neoclassical poet. The name of the poem is A Song for Saint Cecilia's Day. In this poem, the power of music and the power of emotions on human mind by the instruments is described. It is a very nice poem. We will do it. I will explain it to you when we are doing each text. So that means we have 6 poets and 9 poems in the A section. We cannot afford to leave anything. We have to do line by line, each line. We have to understand each line of every poet. So the name of every poet and name of every poem is very, very essential. Now let me come to section B, Indian writing in English. You have 4 poets in this section and 6 poems. The 4 poets are Kabir, Rabindranath Tagore, Toru Dutt and Sarojini Naidu. Kabir's poem, It is Needless to Ask a Saint the caste to which he belongs. Rabindranath Tagore's Where the Mind is Without Fear, which is very essential for every student to read. Toru Dutt's The Lotus and Our Casuarina Tree. In Our Casuarina Tree, Toru Dutt remembers her childhood days and the tree which has lot of memories with her as a writer and as in her childhood days. 10th is next poet is Sarojini Naidu, the Bharat Kokila, and Sarojini Naidu was very famous. Indian Weavers and Song of Radha the Milkmaid. So all together you have 10 poets and 12 poems in all. The last section is As You Like It. It is a drama by William Shakespeare, which you have to read. It is a romantic comedy and very, very interesting. Next time, I will, in my next lecture, I will make you understand paper 2, which is prose and novels. Thank you.